On the off chance that you've at any point cooked with turmeric powder, you most likely had some yellow hands thereafter, alongside some extremely delightful sustenance. Who might have believed that the flavor that stains basically anything can light up and brighten yellow teeth? It isn't clear why this stunning certainty is valid. Numerous individuals do swear by this strategy. Turmeric is likewise compelling for dental issues, for example, tooth throbs, gingivitis, and delicate teeth. Turmeric eliminates germs, battles diseases, and lessens swelling and torment. Turmeric has been utilized as a drug on account of a synthetic contained inside it called curcumin. To whiten teeth, turmeric is blended with baking soda and coconut oil. Baking soda is successful for cleaning essentially anything. Researchers know baking soda as sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda expels stains and plaque from your teeth by expelling acids that are made by the microorganisms in your mouth. Plaque can cause dental issues, for example, tooth rot and gum infection. Coconut oil is another wondrous fixing that can draw out microorganisms from your mouth and can treat toothaches, terrible breath, tooth affectability, and gum infection. Individuals call this movement oil pulling, since flushing your mouth with coconut oil will haul out those germs, yet it likewise brightens your teeth. Things you will require: turmeric powder, baking soda, coconut oil, a bowl, a mixing spoon, measuring spoons, a jar or container for storing the mixture. Steps: measure 4 tablespoons of dried, organic turmeric root powder into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic, virgin coconut oil. Mix thoroughly with a spoon or fork. Step-by-step instructions to utilize: spread 2 teaspoons of your turmeric teeth whitener on your toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Swish 1 teaspoon of softened coconut oil in your mouth for 1 more moment. At that point, spit it out. Try not to swallow, as this blend contains every one of the germs in your mouth. Rinse your mouth with water. Repeat a few times each week for half a month. At that point, diminish the recurrence to a few times every week. If you don't mind, take note of that this blend may recolor the skin around your mouth. Along these lines, utilize mind when brushing your teeth. To expel any yellow turmeric stains from your skin, apply drain to the region for around 5 minutes and after that wash off. Tips: store the rest of the blend in the fridge for a couple of days. If you would rather influence a littler sum, to guarantee that you lessen all fixings proportionately. This blend is probably going to recolor your toothbrush splendid orange. Keep a different delicate to medium abounded toothbrush for this whitener alone. Besides utilizing this blend, make certain to deal with your oral well-being. Use this technique alongside oil pulling with coconut oil to expel all germs from your mouth. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.